Here we go. This is a Samsung DW80M2020US. Here's all your information to see if you have this number, what it's doing. I've got it unplugged right now. Let me plug it back in. So this is what we got going on. Happens about once every month or so. You know, all this stuff's fairly clean. Can't complain about that. Check all that stuff. No water in the bottom. So may as well throw this in the sink for the time being. It's gonna rattle around. As you see, had it loaded, so I just took the drawers out, set them on the ground over here. I got a mop later anyway. So that's all fairly clean. Then we're going to go ahead and unplug it underneath. Mine happens to be next to under the sink. Shouldn't be too far. Then you're going to have a screw right here. Right here. You may have to take off the base, but I've done this so many times. I just got it finger tight. So we're going to do that, and I'll show you what the bottom looks like. Alright, another helpful tip would be lay a towel at the foot or base of the dishwasher before you actually tilt it over. I did this. I missed my mark, a little water come over, but once again I have to mop later today. Any hoozlebees. There's going to be one tab right here. Just push it in. I've had to do this enough time. It doesn't want to cooperate there, so it'll be like that. You do that, that. And then you go in here. You got this little guy. Pull it off. This job, I think it only goes on one way or the other. Come under here. This little piece right here is what you're looking for. Squeeze here, squeeze here. This thing comes off right here. I'm going to need both hands to do that. And this is what you're after right here. It's got a little sensory piece or some crap. A little float type deal. All this moisture under here needs to be dried. So this little sensor piece will stop making it beep. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to dry this up and show you how to slap it back together. Fairly simple project, pain in the butt. Alright, here it is, dried out. So, float piece, make sure this is right side up. Fairly simple. This piece goes that way. Drop it on. Alright, check, make sure, I'm not sure where exactly. I think I got most of the moisture cleaned up. So, we'll reassemble this thing now. And I believe there was a screw right here I just left out because I've had to do this so many times. But check on yours if this is the first time you're doing it. Like I said, it looks like a screw went there. And possibly there might be 3 screws on the front. Like I said, I've done this many times. That's why I'm showing. They got 3 tabs on the back side. Slide them up. Boom. Off in there's 1 tab, 2 tab, 3 tab. Then you got your tabs underneath. Make sure they click in. I don't know if I did that last time because the bottom was a little loose. Push them in, click them in. Then we're going to stand this guy back up. Slide her back in. Take 2 hands, I'll be right back with you. I know what I did. Okay, once again, unplugged. This is why we didn't screw it back in. You know, we didn't proceed to mop up until we did a check and inspection that it worked. Here we go. I think I know what I did. Alright, if you missed the construction part the first time. We're gonna pop these tabs. I'm just gonna pop these two. Nope, gotta pop them all. Boop. Boop. Right here. Right here. Fall off, and just as I suspected, I never plugged it in because I can't walk and chew bubblegum at the same time. So I'm gonna plug that bad boy back into there, and hopefully that fixed the problem. I believe we got it this time. Tabs are back in the back. Back installed, everything's in place. I gotta draw it out. I don't know what that is. Care to comment, tell me what this guy is for future reference. Appreciate it. We're gonna stand her back up and do another test run. She's plugged in and quiet so far. Alright, everything's still in place at yonder. Let's see if she turns on. There she is. Now I'm just going to put the screws back in here. Reset that where it was. Be careful, there are sharp parts under there. Good luck. I hope this fixes your problem. Well, she's been running for a good minute now, so put her on normal cycle, and looks like we're back on track for another month or two. So there you go. Hope that helped you out.